I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Go High Level. Whether you're just getting started or a seasoned user, learning how to consolidate duplicate contacts into a master record is essential for maintaining a clean and efficient database. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have the know-how to do it seamlessly. First things first, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Go High Level. You're aiming to find the website address www.gohighlevel.com. Click on that link, and this will take you to the home page where you can log into your account. Make sure you have your login details at hand, as this will allow you to access the features we're going to explore today. Once you're logged in, direct your focus to the Contacts section within your Go High Level sub-account. This is where you'll manage all your contact relationships. To make the merging process more streamlined, use the search or filtering tools offered here to easily locate the duplicate contacts you're aiming to merge. This step is crucial because pinpointing duplicates will lay the groundwork for a successful merging process. Now, when you've identified these duplicates, proceed by selecting them. Do this by ticking the checkboxes next to each of their names. Once these are selected, locate the Merge Contacts icon. Visually, it's represented by two overlapping circles. Clicking this icon initiates the merging process, and you'll soon see a preview screen pop up on your interface. On this preview screen, you'll be asked to select a master record. This record is essentially your primary contact, where all information will converge. Its details will be retained by default as you merge the other records into it. Carefully consider which contact you want to stand as the master to best serve your organizational needs. At this stage, it's time to review the fields from the different contacts. Pay special attention to any discrepancies between records and determine the data you wish to keep. For instance, if there are conflicting email addresses, decide which should remain as the primary point of contact. Each field may offer different options, so take your time to make decisions that best reflect the accurate, up-to-date information. Finally, once all conflicts are resolved, or if there were none to begin with, you can confirm the merge operation. This last step will execute the merge, consolidating the information into the selected master record. Once confirmed, your contacts are merged, resulting in a tidier and more efficient database. And there you have it. You're now equipped to merge contacts and Go High Level with confidence, maintaining a well-organized and efficient contact list. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick and effective tutorials.